Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your mic type and preparing the pixel. If you have a USB-C mic or an adapter for a 3.5mm TRRS mic, connect it now. Bluetooth mics require pairing in settings. Once done, make sure the microphone permission is granted for the recording app you plan to use. You do this to avoid connection errors and to let the app access input. This first step prevents wasted retries and gets you straight into testing audio input. Now connect and choose the input inside your app. Plug the USB-C or adapter-attached mic into the pixel. For Bluetooth, pair via settings connected devices. Then open Recorder, Camera, or your audio app and locate the input or microphone selector. Choose the external mic explicitly so the app routes audio correctly. Some apps default to built-in hardware. If your app lacks a selector, switch to one that supports external sources or check system-level audio settings to confirm the pixel. Finish by testing and adjusting input levels. Record a quick 10-15 second clip while speaking at your normal volume and listen back to check clarity and clipping. If levels are low, raise gain in the app or use any inline controls on the mic. If it's too hot, reduce input. Once satisfied, secure connections and mount the mic. If something fails, reboot the pixel, replug the mic, try a different app, and ensure permissions remain enabled. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.